Our ability to be under construction on the units before we even broke ground has allowed us to focus on about a 5-month build period, which is just unheard of.
We're very excited to work with CRMR and Systemic Architecture as they've helped us provide solutions that not only satisfy our clients' needs, but also the town of Banff, who has been very receptive to our building process.
This building meets every criteria of the new National Energy Code, which is extremely strict, and then exceeds it in a whole bunch of spots.
Ladacor uses a combination of structural steel, light gauge steel, and upcycled shipping containers.
From the inside and the outside, you will never know that it's made from shipping containers. It is clad all in unique materials, sourced locally. The siding, the interior, has the complete feel of any normal building.
We're very proud to be working with the town of Banff and showcase what our technology and our processes can do.
This will go from a concrete pour, which is happening right now, to in 3 weeks, they'll place all these sea cans on site. Then we're working inside. It is the disruption to the community and the surrounding area, it's not even comparable to waking up to those hammers banging at 7 a.m. for a year versus these things being erected in under a week. It's wild.